Hi there, first grade. This is Miss Grace, and this morning we're going to exercise and practice our doubles facts at the same time, which means that you need to be standing up. So get ready. Are you standing? All right, get ready to practice with me. Here's our first one. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Nice job, you know that. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Well done. Okay, jumping jacks. We're gonna do 5. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Okay, next up. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Well done. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Good job. All right, guys, we're going to jog in place for 10 seconds. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. I got ahead of myself. Ready? Let's practice this one. 0 plus 0 equals 0. That's an easy one. 9 plus 9 equals, it's a toughie, 18. Good job. All right, guys, we're going to do some toe touches. So reach down and touch your toes 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's see if you can get this next one. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Good job. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Nice. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yeah, you knew that one. Okay, let's do some side to sides. You're going to reach your hand over top of your head. Ready? 1. Switch sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. I think you know this one. 5 plus 5 equals 10. You knew that. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Nice work. Okay, guys, we're going to do 5 calf raises. So you're just going to go up onto your tippy toes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, next one. 8 plus 8, 16. Did you remember that one? 9 plus 9 equals 18. That's a tricky one. We practiced it twice. Okay, we're going to do 10 arm circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Good job. That's another tricky one. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Good work. All right, guys, we're going to slowly roll your neck around. Okay, make a big circle. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Okay, next one. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Good job. I have 2 more for you. 2 plus 2 equals 4. You know. Tricky one. 100 plus 100? That equals 200. Good job, guys. Okay, go use your doubles facts in the next activities.